welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing the Ipsy box, or Ipsy bag, Ipsy Glam bag. They've changed the name since I last did it. But this is my first time back to this subscription. I had it probably 4 years ago maybe, and just decided to come back and try it out again. I've unboxed the Ipsy Glam box, which I've already, I believe, posted. If not, it's coming soon. And now I've received my bag. It did come late. It got lost in the mail for about a week. But I finally got it. I love the bag. It is a nice kind of canvasy type bag. And then has the, I don't know if it's the zodiac sign. Yeah, it must be the zodiac signs on it. Or I wasn't sure if it was just constellation or it was the actual zodiac signs. But it looks to be the zodiac signs, which I love. And I love pink. So this bag is awesome. And it has a cute little crystal here that is adorable. And let's just open it. I'm very excited about what is in here. I already know that the theme this month is find your light. And so, and then it has, of course, oh, it doesn't have my products on here. Oh, I'm a little slow. It opens up and shows all my products. All right, so let's just get started. The first thing in my box is this Hanhu Watermelon Illuminator Overnight Serum. I've actually never heard, I have actually never have heard of this brand before. A full size of this, oh, that's a bummer. This one doesn't give your prices. The Ipsy Glam box does give the prices, so that's odd. Why it wouldn't. But Hanhu, I guess is how you would say it, Overnight Serum. Water-like serum, super refreshing, smells like watermelon, which is nice. And yep, it just says use a dime size amount, which seems like a lot. I generally use about a pea-size amount of serums, so that seems like a lot. Yes, it's overnight only, because it says sleep and it will refine in your skin texture while you sleep. Then rinse it off in the morning. So excited to try that. We'll see how that works. The next product in my bag is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream. And this I have actually tried before. I do really like it. I have used this before, and I do find it's very hydrating and I like it a lot. So I am very excited to have this back. I'm going to try to use it, I think, in the morning. It is kind of if I remember right, it's a heavier, oh, it's already opened. And it is not a heavier cream, which is even better because I'm looking more for a daytime cream. There's no smell. So excited to have this. I'll definitely be using that. The last three products are makeup, which I love. The next product is the Benefit Gimme Brow brow gel, or brow, is that what it is? Brow volumizing fiber gel in the color 3, which is a neutral light brown, which I'm not upset about. I know I've talked about this product before on here, and I use a 3.5. This is very close to the color that I would need. I love this. I love the mini size. I can definitely travel with this a lot easier. Not that the big size is that much bigger, but I use this, so this will definitely get used. I'm excited to have that. The next product is by Ofra. It is the Madison Miller blush. I did receive the face palette in my Ipsy Glam box, and it had arrived broken. I have contacted Ipsy, and they have already sent me out. Well, I don't know if they've already sent me out a new one. They said they would and send me a tracking confirmation, and I haven't received a tracking confirmation, but I assume they are going to. Hopefully, they said they would. So I haven't gotten to try those products. That one that shattered is just a mess over the whole thing that I think I might just toss it. I originally was gonna clean it out and just use the other two, but it's such a mess. Anyways, this is another blush. It's in the color Sweet Stuff. It is so pretty. I've already swatched it. It is a pink color. and I'm very excited to have this. It is, oh, that's like one swipe. It is so pigmented. I don't think I've used Ofra's blushes since, they've reformulated. It's been a couple of years, I think. I don't know. I haven't used one in a long time, so I'm very excited to try this. I'm so happy. Again, don't know the price on that. The last product in my box is by IBY Beauty. It's the Carry On Highlighter, and it is in the color Private Jet. I think it's right at the top. Private Jet. And looking at the packaging, as you can see, this is quite dark. So I was a little concerned that this highlighter would not work for me. But to my surprise, I've already swatched this as well. I couldn't wait. It looks kind of like the Tarte packaging, a little cheaper feeling, but a lot like it. No mirror, but this is the color, which is definitely a good color for me. And it is so pretty. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Oh, you can kind of see it's shiny. It is so pretty. I'm so excited for this. I cannot wait to try this on my face. This is like probably the best Ipsy box I've ever gotten, and I was subscribed to this for probably 2+ years, and I had good boxes, but I was never thrilled. Honestly, I love every product, and I know every product will work for me. The only one would be this watermelon serum, which I can't see why it wouldn't, as long as there's, I don't know what I was gonna say, as long as there's what, but generally serums don't bother me, let's knock on wood. But I am so excited. This has been a great month. I'm hoping I'll end up loving all the products. I mean, being happy to receive them is one thing, but them actually working for you is another. I will definitely report back next month when I open the Ipsy for October, and I will let you know how this was. But overall, super excited. I believe it's $10 a month, but I know that is changing. Like next month, I think it goes up a few bucks. So I don't want to say exactly how much it is, but I'm sure everyone knows about Ipsy. It's been around forever. It's like the first real subscription service, I believe. And it's definitely better than I remember. So I am very excited and very happy with what I received. Let me know if you get this and what products you got. I'd love to know if we got the same things and what you're most excited about. Anyways, as always, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. I just said that. I'll see you in my next video, and thank you for watching.